Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Ninja Blast Portable Blender, a cordless powerhouse designed for blending on the go. This personal blender boasts an 18-ounce capacity, perfect for crafting your favorite shakes and smoothies anywhere, and comes in a stylish denim blue. With Ninja's best portable blending power, you can effortlessly blast through frozen ingredients thanks to the durable stainless steel blast blade assembly and innovative ribbed vessel that creates a vortex for smooth results. The blender is equipped with a convenient easy open sip lid and a hinged carry handle, making it easy to blend and drink from the same vessel while on the move. Cleaning is a breeze with dishwasher-safe, BPA-free parts, and a self-cleaning cycle that takes just 30 seconds with water and a drop of dish soap. The rechargeable 7.4 volts power base, compatible with USB-C, ensures you have the speed and power you need without being tethered to a cord. Included with your purchase are a USB-C cable, a quick start guide with a 5-recipe inspiration guide, and an instruction booklet, making it simple to get started with your new Ninja Blast Portable Blender. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.